My name is Dean Williams. I'm a professor of public policy here at the Kennedy School of Government at Harvard University, and I teach public leadership. And Lobsang has participated in my classes here at the university. He's been a scholar here at Harvard for the last few years, and it's been an honor and a privilege to have him in my classes studying leadership along with hundreds of other students here at the Kennedy School who are here to enhance their leadership capability. Now, in my classes, the kind of students who attend them are students with already significant amount of experience. And as mid-career students or scholars, these people have been former prime ministers and presidents or public officials, ministers in governments at the federal level, state level, and local level. So these are people with already a large amount of talent. And as a scholar, Lobsang has been able to interact with these people with amazing skill and ability. Certainly, as a scholar, he brings enormous understanding to the challenges faced in terms of exercising leadership for national development and international development. And as we think about young leaders throughout the world today, we are seeing a lot of young men and women who are in their early 40s who are providing leadership for their nations. This is certainly so in Russia. It is so in the United Kingdom, where a prime minister and deputy prime minister in their early 40s. I am from Australia, and our new prime minister there is also a young woman in her early 40s. And here in the United States, Obama, elected as president of the United States in his mid-40s. And so we're seeing this trend of the younger, pragmatic, more open and energetic man or woman presenting themselves to take on these challenges. And then it's an exciting opportunity because together they can partner to create the kind of world that we all desire, and through this network of partnership work together to make it a reality. Certainly the old styles of leading are actually obsolete. They don't work anymore. So a new, fresh perspective is absolutely essential as we move forward. And Lobsang has that.